Did you know that it takes an average of 11 years to develop a single pesticide from molecular discovery to approval for use by farmers? The main reason is safety. Over those years, experts will conduct more than 150 studies, as required by law, to ensure the efficacy of a pesticide and its safety for human health and the environment. The studies look at all safety aspects, including exposures over different lengths of time and at different concentrations to farm workers, consumers, and wildlife. The Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, better known as OECD, has strict guidelines for gathering and analyzing safety data. Transgressions can lead to criminal prosecution. So who sees these safety studies? Government regulators do. It's their responsibility to protect their citizens. They carry out independent risk assessments of all data before registering or rejecting pesticides for use. A lot of health and environmental safety data about pesticides is also available to the public. Government authorities publish regulatory summaries. Plus, there's peer-reviewed scientific literature, product brochures, and pesticide manufacturers' websites. CropLife International members, the world's leading developers of crop protection products, took an extra step in 2018. They made a voluntary commitment to increase public access to safety data about their pesticides. Proprietary data, such as details of a manufacturing process, of course, must remain confidential. That's so companies can continue to invest in innovations without others taking their ideas. But what's important to people, data related to their safety, is also available. It assures them that the products farmers use to produce their food have been thoroughly evaluated. For more information, visit pesticidefacts.org.